The enduring allure of Narcissus Tazetta, from garden to home fragrance. Narcissus Tazetta, also known as the bunch-flowered daffodil or paper white, has held a special place in my heart for years. These cheerful blooms, bursting with fragrance and a cluster of delicate flowers, signal the arrival of winter and bring a touch of sunshine indoors. But their charm extends far beyond the holiday season. Narcissus Tazetta is a versatile bulb that thrives in gardens and can be easily forced indoors for winter blooms, making it a favorite among flower enthusiasts. Over the years, I've experimented with growing these beauties and incorporating their essence into my home. Today, I want to share my experience and unveil the magic of Narcissus Tazetta with you. See more 166 species in genus Narcissus at monsteraholic.com. How to grow Narcissus Tazetta in your garden. Planting Narcissus Tazetta bulbs in your garden is a rewarding experience. Here's a step-by-step guide. Choosing the right time. The ideal planting time depends on your climate. In warmer zones, USDA zones 7 to 9, plant the bulbs in fall, around 6 to 8 weeks before the first frost. For colder climates, zones 5 to 6, consider planting them in containers and bringing them indoors for winter protection. Location and soil. Select a location that receives at least 6 hours of sunlight daily. Narcissus Tazetta thrives in well-drained, fertile soil. Amending your soil with compost before planting is recommended. Planting, dig holes 2 to 3 times deeper than the height of the bulb, leaving enough space between them, around 4 to 6 inches. Place the bulbs pointed end up and cover them with soil. Water thoroughly. Care, water your Narcissus Tazetta regularly, especially during dry spells. Fertilize them once in early spring with a balanced fertilizer. Deadhead spent flowers to encourage continued blooming. Once the foliage starts to yellow and die back, allow it to remain for a few weeks before removing it. This helps the bulb store energy for the next season. What is Narcissus Tazetta bulb extract? Narcissus Tazetta isn't just visually captivating, its fragrance is equally intoxicating. The bulbs contain an essential oil known as Narcissus Tazetta bulb extract, which captures the flower's sweet and heady scent. This extract is used in various ways. Perfumery. The extract is a prized ingredient in perfumery, adding a delicate floral note to perfumes and colognes. Potpourri and incense. A few drops of the extract can elevate potpourri blends and add a delightful fragrance to incense. Aromatherapy. While not as common, Narcissus Tazetta bulb extract can be used in aromatherapy for its uplifting and mood-enhancing properties. Where to buy Narcissus Tazetta bulb extract? Narcissus Tazetta bulb extract isn't as readily available as other essential oils. However, you can find it from some specialty stores that sell essential oils and fragrance ingredients. Look for reputable online retailers or local shops specializing in aromatherapy supplies. Important note, Narcissus Tazetta bulb extract can be a skin irritant. Always dilute it properly with a carrier oil before topical application. Avoid contact with eyes and mucous membranes. If you have any concerns, consult a qualified aromatherapist before using it. Beyond the garden, bringing the fragrance indoors. There are several ways to enjoy the fragrance of Narcissus Tazetta indoors, even if you don't have a garden. Here are some ideas. Forced bulbs. Forcing Narcissus Tazetta bulbs indoors allows you to enjoy their blooms during winter. Plant the bulbs in pots with well-draining soil and keep them in a cool, dark location for several weeks. Once roots have developed, gradually introduce them to sunlight and warmth. Soon, you'll be greeted by their delightful fragrance. Diffusers. If you have a diffuser, you can add a few drops of Narcissus Tazetta bulb extract, diluted with a carrier oil, to create a fragrant atmosphere in your home. Potpourri. Enhance your potpourri by adding a few drops of the extract. The fragrance will subtly blend with other botanical elements, creating a unique and pleasant scent. A final thought, the allure of Narcissus Tazetta. Narcissus Tazetta is more than just a beautiful flower. It's a sensory experience, offering a visual and olfactory delight. Whether you choose to grow them in your garden, force them indoors, or enjoy their fragrance through extracts, Narcissus Tazetta has the power to transform your space and uplift your spirits. So, embrace the charm of these captivating bulbs and allow them to weave their magic into your life.